Now, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a simple and sweet background with the help of tools that are available. So first, I'm selecting a rectangle tool and I'll be changing the color to certain blue part over here. And what I will be doing, just making it light blue. What I will be doing, I will be I will be dragging a rectangle on the screen and I will be just erasing the outline because I don't want the outline. So what I will be doing, I'll be just erasing the outlines and I'll be adjusting the backdrop, or I'll be adjusting it to the corners of the screen. As you are able to see over here, this is the exact part that I have drawn one. So this is the first part that is ready. Now related with the next part, I require to make the land. So in order to make the land, again I'm making use of a rectangle tool, but now I change the color. I'll make the color to somewhat brown like this. And what I will be doing, I'll be dragging it on the screen again. So you are able to see the background is displayed over here. Now if you want to put certain stones on the floor, how will you be able to put the stones on the floor? With the help of the circle. I'm changing it to somewhat gray color now. Yes, somewhat like this. Try to adjust the color, and again a circle will be drawn in order to give the circle a natural appearance. Replace, and the shape you want, you can put any shape over there. So in this manner, I have created a very simple background. More type of backgrounds will be coming in the next presentation or in the next slide. So this is one of the background. If you want to put another stone, yes, you can put another stone. Try to adjust the color of the stone. Again, with the help of reshape tool, you can reshape as you want. Whatever shape you can put over there, that particular shape will be displayed on the background or on the backdrops that you have edited, and you can place your sprite anywhere on the screen. Done. So this is my stage area. This is one background. If you want to make changes in the background, you can duplicate it and make changes in the background. So this was a very simple first type of background that I have created using the tool, that is the square tool, that is a rectangle tool, and the circle tool.